you don't say and you go the market, let me hear you say I. If they don't call your shop today, come price market and they no buy them, let me hear you say I. Any bad belle wey no one make you say Holy Ghost child. Anybody wey say today you go come market, they go come dey test your market price and go Holy Ghost. Now 2023 don come. Una don tire for this government, abi una never tire? Now the reason wey carry me come here na because of me. I be Nigeria when e be like say I no like wetin dey happen. I no like the country as e be. We don tire for the same men wey dey come every year. Then they come, and when dem come, dem go give you 3 cups of rice, dem go give you salt, dem go give you 2,000 naira, dem go give you money. Why? Because dem want make you sell your vote. Mommy and daddies wey dey hear me, if to say your vote no dey count, dem no go dey buy am. All the ones wey dem don dey buy, as dem give you 3 cups of rice, the cup of rice go finish after 2 days. Na the reason wey make me come. Abeg, mommy, daddy, anywhere wey you dey, I wan make you know say you need to get your PVC. If you dey this market and you no get PVC, na you be the cause of our problem. Yes, if you dey this market you no get PVC, na you be the cause of our problem. See our children and see your children. See this boy come first. I go give you something, come. See these small boys, they suppose dey school. Come here. How old are you? 11 years. What class are you? Primary 2. But you are going, are you in school?
Yes.
So why are you hawking water leaf?
Because I come back from school.
Now when you come back from school, you go and do what? Sell water leaf. When it's supposed dey house, why they sell water leaf? When the time when this boy want to read book, take this one and go. Come and take. Man, no black. Come on, 500. Yes. Why this boy they sell water leaf? He dey sell the water leaf because of say he wan go do wetin, sell for the mama. Now time no go dey for this boy to read book. Time no go dey for this boy to do anything for school. Check am very well for school, that boy no go dey do well. Why? Na because of say as he come back, he go sell. Around 9, he don tire, body go dey pain am. Tomorrow he go school, he sell, he come back, he body pain am, he sleep. Na the kind thing wey una dey find? No. Na im make I say make all of una wey dey this market, wetin we dey do na wetin? New Nigeria Evangelism. Make una get una PVC. Vote the right person. Vote the right person. Vote the right person. Me, I go come here to tell you say support Peter Obi because I know am. But outside that one, I want make una do wetin? Vote the right person. Una never tire to dey collect 2 cups of rice. Una don tire, abi una never tire? If una don tire, let me hear you say I beg, make una get una PVC. If you get your PVC, now una go fit change the system. Insecurity. See people killing everywhere. ASU strike. Your pikin go school for only 4 years. Your pikin go come outside. After like 8 years, you go come dey work for POS center. Now where your pikin suppose dey work? E no good. You come finish school, no work. Road no good. See road, light no dey, water no dey, suffering everywhere. I just come here to tell una, simple thing. All this, how much is your pineapple?
200.
200 naira. This pineapple before. Now, are you in school?
Yes.
What class are you?
Just 1.
Just 1. You don't go school today?
Yes.
And you come back now, they say na this kind future una dey find for man follow give you something. Na this kind thing una dey find for. Na this kind future una dey find for una children. No. Na im make collect take. Na im make I say yes. Make una get una PVC. Make una vote una conscience. Me I go tell you say support Peter Obi for reason. because me I don see am like person wey go make sure say e come change and repair the country. So my people, if you get PVC and you dey here, let me hear you say aye. Who get PVC? Who get? Anyway, the reason wey make me come here na to come let you know say vote your conscience. Vote your conscience. Stop to dey collect two cup of rice, collecting tomato, all those things. Why dem dey give you? Dem know say na wetin una like. Na im make dem dey give una every time, and that thing no dey last. All those boys when e be say when election reach, you go dey carry ballot box. All these politicians wey you see, their children no dey go school for Nigeria o. When their children sick na abroad. When your pikin sick, you no go get money to even buy paracetamol. But you, when election reach, you go dey carry ballot box dey run. Dem go shoot you, kill you. You go come leave your children fatherless because of 20,000. Use your head. When make sure say you get your PVC and vote your conscience. I don come to give una this information. I go still come back some other time to remind una say yes, you need to get your PVC. Thank you very much. My name na Koboko. I don go. You don lost. You go.
Dog boss, ask him. Oh yeah, you get PVC before.
Yes, I have it.
Oh, where you do?
They do am here. Then I can't go hide it.
The permanent one.
Yes.
Wait till you have to go.
We lost.
Wait till you have to be say, I will come get the full information. Then maybe tomorrow or
Yeah,
next
I should write it and keep. When you
No, I will come with your show. Okay. Now me will come see you special. Please. When I come and see you. Alright, mama. What is the name? Mama.
Just come on, Mata.
Okay. No, mama. Atam. Only in Nigeria. Mama, they come. No worry. When I come, now me and you. No, I'll come back. Thank you.